What up, boys? Motorbro here. Just bringing y'all another video. What you guys want? This is my bike. Nothing really different happened, but this is just for new viewers. Taking a little close-up tour if they didn't see nothing else. Haven't really done anything to it except put lights on it and shit, and new bars because they broke, and new shift lever, but that shit's like a $10 shift lever, so it doesn't really fucking matter. But yeah, let's get this shit on the road. It's been a while, boys, I know. It has been a while. As you can see, the weather, fucking shitty. Well, as y'all know, it has been a while with my fucking car got crashed and shit, and everything that's happened. Haven't really made a video in a couple, maybe a week or two. And with the weather, Florida's weather right now, so bad, my gosh. Like, it sucks. Really, really bad. And it just needs to fucking clear up. Like, every day it rains. And it just fucking sucks, so you can't really do nothing because it's all rainy. That fucking hurt my thumb, if you guys can see that. Trying to fucking get my GoPro all set up because I took it off the helmet. This is gonna be a little different angle because I took it off the helmet and I was using it at the beach. Well, I was supposed to, but I never got to using it. But so let me know if this shit looks good for y'all. Let's hit the jump. Woo! Hell yeah. Now that shit was popping. Like run into a store or some shit. Sprinkle repair. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. But yeah, dude, like it's been good now. I mean, it's weird. I haven't made a video, so like it's just fucking so it feels new again. It's a weird feeling, but I don't know if you guys can see the sky, but the storm just passed over there. Look, like super clear, like light over there, and then fucking, oh, almost fell. Super like dark over there. It's been a while since I've been popping them wheelies. Let's do a little burnout. Never mind. It's a little too wet. I can do a donut though. There's my donut. Hey, doggy. Full speed ahead. Just hauling. But yeah, I've just been chilling. School's been a bitch lately. So much fucking like studying and shit. Fucking sucks, but whatever. This is fucking fun. I forget, like, you forget how fun this shit is. I haven't been riding it lately, so look at this new paved road. My type of shit. See how this is awesome, new paved road. I'm gonna pull a dope wheelie down this bitch. Ready? Alright, ready, boats, ready? Alright, that one was decent. Wasn't my best, but wasn't the best, but it would do for now. Hope the Rangers aren't fucking out yet. The Rangers hate me. I'm just crossing through. I don't know. This thing is hauling. I don't know if I told you guys, but this shit hits like 55. Me and my friend tested out. He was on his motorcycle and shit. fucking awesome. Put this thing up a little. Saying hit the jump, ready for us? Hit the roller for him. Ooh, that one was nice. That one's real nice. Oh shit, boys! Let's go in this neighborhood. See what kind of shit we can fuck up. Damn, dude, my wheelies are like... My wheelies just ain't on point today. Alright, that one was a little better. I was fucking like swerving like this in that one. That was funny. Swaggy daggy. Just hauled through this bitch. Oh shit. I don't know where it leads. Oh, it just leads out here. Damn it. That was gonna lead somewhere cool. Epic fail. Yeah, what? If you guys want to know what movies I saw lately, I have seen Godzilla, which was fucking epic. Godzilla is epic. Super fucking epic, like crazy epic. What else did I go see? What other movie did I see? I don't know what movies I saw, but that's one of them, and it was fucking awesome, so I recommend you go see it. Let me pulling in this bitch on the road. So this bitch down for y'all niggas. But, yeah, you guys are asking me to ride with homies and shit. And only one of my friends has a bike, and like, I don't know, we haven't talked lately, but hopefully he sees this video and he's like, oh shit, I need to hit a loss. Well, he hit me up, but it's like, I was busy that day and I just couldn't fucking go. I want to ride with him soon, so hopefully we get some shit done. Let's fucking go on this golf course. Fuck all the haters, bro. Ride on this bitch. Fuck the haters. Watch this fucking dumb motherfucking bow bow. With these new bars, like I can fucking like stand up and ride. Like I pull a wheelie. It's hard to pull wheelies standing up. But yeah, buddy. Little trails and shit back here. Little ditch. Little golfer back there. Cinco de Mayo. But yeah, how y'all summer doing? I mean, you guys in summer, I mean, probably a lot of you guys don't even have fucking school right now. I don't even know why I'm taking summer class right now. Fucking sucks. Worst idea in the world. Fuck! I was like half in a gear and I accidentally fucking pulled up. That was fucked up. Alright, I'm gonna cut through these people's... No, I'm not, because he's right out there. Is that him? That was weird. No, I'm not gonna cut through there. I swear I just saw some dude in like a fucking clown vest. I don't know, maybe my mom's fucking with me. Ready, boys? I'm gonna make it snappy. Nothing going on here, boys. Just a normal fucking motorcycle just cruising. My chain is fucking loose. And one of you kids, I think someone, something about when you guys asked like something about their chain coming loose, I might as well show you right now why it's probably coming loose. If you don't have these fucking chain tensioners, all of that fucking pressure is gonna pull your wheel. So if you just have two bolts, you need to have these the chain tensioner things right here, and they stick on the bowl and it holds it, and you have it on both sides. But that's what you need. So with my chain right now, I mean, it's pretty tight, probably, but fuck it. You just got pull wheelies and like, look at that shit. That was a no footer wheelie. This is with me on that bitch. I'm gonna fuck with these niggas. All these workers and shit, they don't got fuck with me. Let's do whatever the fuck I want. La 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 la. They're all looking at me like, what the fuck is this nigga doing, dude? And I was just like, bro, I'm just riding my fucking pipper, bro. Woohoo! All in. I don't even know if I have a lot of gas in this thing, but fuck it. Oh, that shit hurt. That damn finger. Lizard. But yeah, I hope you guys like this fucking little video. This is just like, I'm probably gonna do some more shit soon. This is just for a little, because it rained all fucking day, so I just made a little video for y'all. Look at my fucking pants. I'm wearing like fucking slick pants, and they keep coming back. You can see my whiteness. Let me fucking get them bitches down. Yeah, but yeah, please fucking subscribe if you're new to this channel. Lets me know that niggas want to watch, you know? Like, I'm probably not gonna make, I mean, if I got no one watching these videos, why make them, you know? This is for you guys to enjoy. So subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you want to see. Some people want to see my new fucking car, or my old car, but you can't see my old car because that shit's totaled. But, yeah, you just gotta let me know in the comments right below, brothers. Fuck you, trash can. Bah. I was gonna kick it, but I was like, this is my neighborhood next to mine. I don't want to be a douche, you know. You gotta stay cool. You gotta stay cool with your neighbors. Woo! That was fucking horrible. Ready? Here's a bunny hop. Buddy, fuck with it. But yeah, we're just headed back now. That's probably, look at these fucking pro taper bars. Fuck with it. Yeah, but that's just gonna conclude this video. I mean, one little video is better than no video. That's how I see it, you know. If you guys agree with me, just let me know. If you guys want to just, I mean, sometimes I can't really film that much, so let me know if you want just me not to film anything, or if you just want a video like this where I just fucking talk and ride around my place. I can't always be doing stuff, you know, the weather and shit. So y'all need to let me know. Let me know in the comment section right below. But one last hit in this fucking. Alright, that's it, boys. Peace.